What are paradiddles? What can you do with them? Why do I keep banging on about them in my lessons? And most importantly, why do they have such a silly name? Hi, I'm Phil from Ravebugs, and in this video we're going to look at paradiddles. So let's start with what is a paradiddle and why does it have a silly name? So the basic single paradiddle is right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. If you play it right and you listen carefully, you should hear it say paradiddle, paradiddle. So you can count these in quarter notes or crotchets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You could count them in eighth notes, quavers, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and you can even count them in 16th notes, semiquavers, 1 E and a, 2 E and a. Now when playing these, it's important to get each stroke nice and even so the rhythm sounds nice and smooth. But you can add some dynamics. For example, you can accent the pa, like paradiddle, paradiddle. Or to be honest, you can accent any of the strokes as long as you do the same one over and over again so it sounds nice and rhythmical and smooth. One thing about when you do this and you accent things, try and get all the accents so they sound about the same. So to do this, I always start my accents with the stick pointing straight to the ceiling. The stick starts in the same place, I don't whack the drum, I just move the stick down from a higher position. Paradiddle. Keep all the others nice and low. Paradiddle, paradiddle. That way all your strokes should sound the same. They should sound nice and even and smooth. A handy tip for playing faster paradiddles is to look at the anatomy of the paradiddle. Look at what each hand is playing. It plays an accent and 2 taps. But in between that accent and the first tap, the other hand sneaks a little tap in. Once you do that, you realise all you've really got to practice is that accent tap on your hands. And then think of it like that as you're playing, and your paradiddles will suddenly become nice and quick, nice and smooth, and you won't be thinking of that right, left, left all the time. You'll just be thinking of that da, 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 da. Give it a go. It really helps. Once you're happy playing your paradiddles, start playing them to a click. This will not only improve your timing, but it will also make sure you're keeping everything nice and smooth and even. Also, if you write down the tempo at which you're comfortable doing a paradiddle, over time you'll notice that tempo get higher and higher, and you're becoming faster and smoother and stronger. So what are they used for and why do I like? Well, not only are they great for practicing singles, doubles, your right hand, your left hand, timing, stick control, but they can also be used as a fill. You can start moving your paradiddles onto different drums and cymbals and see what interesting patterns and textures you start to create. But it doesn't end there. Once you've mastered the paradiddle, you've played it all around the kit, you've used it as a fill, you've done it on your cymbals, you've made a nice pattern out of it. There's also the paradiddle diddle, the double paradiddle, the triple paradiddle, the flammadiddle, the dragadiddle. There really are loads and loads of variations. There's even an inverted paradiddle where you go diddle para, so it's right, left, left, right, left. An inverted paradiddle. And if you really want to be clever, start playing them as a triplet. So there you are, the humble paradiddle. Take it away, practice it, move it around the kit, put a click on, try and get your tempo and your timing spot on with the click. Try it on different drums, try it with different accents, try it at different tempos, put a triplet feel in there if you want to, put it on your feet if you're feeling brave. And before you know it, you'll be ready to enter the Global Paradiddle Championships. And yes, that is a real thing. Look it up on YouTube. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you got some value out of it, I'd really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out Ravebugs Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Everything is at Ravebugs. You should find us. And I will see you in the next video.